All right, so it's weekend shop car things. And I drug Gavin and Mark out here. I'm just kidding. It was voluntary. So we're going to be working on the cage.
Drug us out here, we getting paid.
Hey, I can buy pizza, so we'll have a pizza party.
That's good enough.
Yeah. So they're gonna be working on the cage and getting the 4-link bracket set. We'll be working on these Zeus panels back here, making them fit, and hopefully the rear end housing. Get the wheels mocked up. Got these badass 4-link brackets from Marty set up for our spread on the back, so pretty excited about those. All right, Gavin, what'd you find?
Bunch of ladybugs didn't make it.
It's a lot of them.
It's such a
few on the floor.
such a long life to live. It'd have to be like this.
Yes. At least there's no mouse nests in this car. I haven't found one. Usually every.
Still got one more window to check.
I hope there's not one in there. Usually you find at least one in the roof or something, but I don't think this one had any. So surprising. Mark got those brackets installed in rapid time. We got them yesterday at like 2 o'clock and like 9 o'clock on a Saturday. They're already in. So they're tacked. Now we're going to work on fitting the full containment seat. Gavin's working on the door bar so we can get that finished up, and then Mark's going to work on the driver compartment. These are pretty badass. So, fully adjustable. I don't know what the adjustment increments are, but Marty killed it on those.
After a long 48-hour day, we got pretty good progress done today. Got the door bars in, starting to get some gussets going on. Mark's killing it with the driver structure over there.
If only we didn't have to fit a gigantic seat.
Yeah, if only we have to fit a gigantic seat, it wouldn't be, you know, made for a sumo wrestler. Look at that guy. But, I mean, it's a big seat. And I think Matt's trying to daily drive it, so he needs something comfy.
Yeah, definitely.
So.
Yeah, you gotta protect the old noggin.
Gotta protect a good old melon up there. Nice it says, huh? Big old firm right there. But yeah, did pretty good.
In there.
Looks good with the Gucci brackets sitting in there. Mark, anything to say?
Nope.
Dogs are fighting. John's over there in the next room making a big mess. But yeah.
Yeah, I don't think John's ever gonna get a complete car. He's just gonna keep cutting until the car is just a bare cage.
Next time you'll see it, we'll be doing test hits in the front street.
Alright, after a 12-hour day, got some driver structure. Door bars are in, just took them back out, and the housing's getting. We got the housing somewhat situated. Got the 4-link brackets. We'll get that done tomorrow. Okay. Gavin got his gussets done.
Got the door bars done.
You did. Yeah.
Either done, I just knocked him out and made him mad.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, basically.
I do good work and he just ruins it all.
See you tomorrow. So it's a Sunday morning, and I'm back out in the shop. The other guys aren't here yet. Just wanted to go over what we got done yesterday. I kind of shortly went over it, but just kind of show you a little more in depth. So got most of the driver structure in. Had to move a little bit because of the full containment seat. Had to set these bars back. This structure's a little wider because the seat is so much wider. Bent this one in a little bit to fit the door bar. But given the size of these cages, it's a little tough. 4-link brackets are in, and then I tackled putting on the rear Zeus rails. These are from Racecraft. They come as the whole, these rails. These ones we get somewhere else, but these ones fit Fox bodies, so those are welded in. This back plate is welded in. It just takes a little bit of trimming, but this is kind of what we use on every build.
Alright, what's up, guys? Oh, it's about 8:07 p.m. on a Sunday night here in the shop. Gavin and Matt already went home, and Matt went to a party with his wife for the Super Bowl, but you know, I'm here because race cars are more important than the Super Bowl, so it's true. But we got driver structure almost completely done. I'm gonna wait to set these 3/4 inch tubes here until we get Matt in here and fit in the seat a little bit better. That way we know that if these are gonna be in his line of sight or not, we can move these up or down a little bit. And we got part of the back half started. Gavin got that all working pretty good here. Then I got these door bars reset. After I started fitting the driver structure, I had to knock them out. That way I could get in there a little bit better. But I got these door bars all reset and got the gussets fitting quite a bit better. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the progress we've made so far. Got a little bar over there too. So we only got one more 3/4 inch tube to make, but like I said, I'm gonna wait on that one until Matt sits in it, and then we'll wait to set this one until he gets in there. But yeah, overall it's looking pretty good, making a lot of progress for one weekend. You know, some of this stuff takes quite a bit of time to get stuff set right, but once we get all the critical stuff set, then all the other stuff should fall right into place relatively smoothly. So, should be pretty fun. Road to Rocky Mountain Race Week. Here we come.